So you've got your iPhone 12, you've set up everything, everything's good to go, except wait, your battery is dying a little bit. But hey, no problem. Let me just grab the charger inside of the box right here. We'll plug it in and we'll charge the phone up. Now, of course, Apple did say that there is no charging brick included in the box, so no problem. Let me grab my old Apple iPhone charger brick. We'll plug in the cable and we'll charge the phone. Wait a second. That doesn't fit, but Apple said we have a bunch of these at home and we're gonna save the planet and everything, so we don't need to have any of these extra things. Well, Apple did kind of pull a fast one on us. They told us that we had a ton of these old iPhone chargers at home for USB, which is perfectly fine. Cool, we do, except they go ahead and throw a USB-C to Lightning cable inside of the box. Does that not tell you something right there? I think that does tell you something. So if you want to take advantage of using the USB-C with the Lightning cable, you do need to purchase another adapter. And of course, Apple sells one for a ridiculous amount of money, and you have to go out to the Apple store and spend that hard-earned money to get yourself the Apple charger, which they want to sell you, of course. They'd love to sell you one, but there is an easier solution to it. For about half the cost of the Apple charger, you can get an Aukey charger. The Aukey charger is fantastic. It is power delivery, which means that it's a fast charging charger. So this is 18-watt charger, which means it charges your iPhone about 3 to 4 times faster than the older charging bricks. These older charging bricks are 5 watts, so very, very minimal. So the Aukey ones are very nice. They're fast charging. So what do? You grab your USB-C cable that was included inside of the box, plug it into your Aukey charger, and plug that right into your iPhone and charge it all up. Now, the one thing about this charger is it charges much faster than the older style chargers. So sure, you could grab your old charger, your old USB cable, plug it into the wall and charge your iPhone up, but it's going to be charging at only 5 watts. And 5 watts means that for about 50% of a charge, it's going to use up about an hour and a half worth of time. Whereas the Aukey charger, you could charge 50% of your battery in about 25 to 30 minutes. I've tested this out with the Aukey charger. It's much, much faster than using the older 5-watt chargers. Don't spend your hard-earned money on the Apple ones. They're ridiculously priced. They're way overpriced. Get yourself one of these new Aukey chargers. I will link them in the description box below. They come in 2 different colors. They come in white and black, and very, very convenient because they do fold up just like that. So if you look at the older style Apple chargers, they don't move, they don't fold up. So if you put these into your pocket or purse, it's gonna poke you a little bit. So the Aukey ones, you can just snap them closed and it's easy to travel around with. So definitely pick one of these up. They're a great value. They charge your new iPhone much faster. They're reverse compatible to your older iPhone, as well as any new gadgets that you have. You can also use this to charge those up and it will charge very, very fast. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.